Good afternoon, dear tutor and e-mates. My name is Lida Esmeralda Solano Higuera, and I'm taking the course Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. In this opportunity, I'm going to talk about the uses of the tool called Twinword. First of all, I'm going to say what is the meaning of Twinword. Twinword it's a tool that helps students and also teachers to improve their communicative skills, especially reading and writing skills. So let's start with the different and useful tips for using Twinword. So here, as you can see, we have the semantic highlighter. In this tool, you can search and highlight the related words in your writing with just one click. For example, if you click on the word variety, you are going to see different words related to this word, okay? You can use synonyms, antonyms, and different words that can help you to acquire more vocabulary and to enrich your vocabulary. So, Twinword will point out all the places that you have used that word and relate words also. Use this tool to see which words you are using to express your intention or see where you are repeating the word too much. So it's very, very useful. So now let's continue with the tone analyzer. The tone analyzer is going to help you to analyze the tone of a user comment or post. With this tool, you can find out if your writing is too positive or too negative. This tool analyzes the choice of word and work and the algorithm to give you a percentage score. So you are going to look if what you wrote it's too negative or too positive. So you are going to know this information with this tool called Tone Analyzer. As you can see, in this case, it says that the comment or the writing that you click is positive in the 41 and 7%. So it seems like your writing is a little positive. Okay, so now let's continue with the topic tagger. The topic tagger it's a tool that talks to you if it's useful to generate relevant or important tags and keywords for your writing. Also, Topic Tagger is able to suggest keywords which are not in the text itself. For example, if you take a word, you click on the word frequency in this case, you are going to look at different words related to frequency that you can use. So it's going to be an excellent suggestion for you to select or to modify the words that you are using. You may select several formats from tab separated, line separated, comma separated to copy or paste them wherever you want. So it's a very nice tool for you. Now, let's continue with favorites. When you use this tool, favorites, here you can save word suggestions here and discover their own suggestions. So, for example, if you click in the word ingredients, you are going to see that this tool select this word as a favorite one. So they are relevant words for you. Now let's continue with the tool word count. So with this tool, you can know how many words are there with spaces and without spaces. So this tool picks up the count of the repetitive words that are used in your writing. For example, if you use the word, let's click on one different word. For example, the word include, yeah. So you can see different words, different synonyms, yeah. And it's going to tell you how many times you have used this word. And also this tool helps you to know how many times you are using this word, and also this tool will put it down under the words list and is going to help to find a word related to this one under the semantic highlighter. So these tools are working together. You can use them as a teamwork. Now let's continue with the revision history. This tool called revision history helps you, for example, if you won't be, in this case, you won't be worried about unsaved works. So Wording Lab's autosave function shows the time your file is last saved. So you are not going to be worried about if you save your work, because it's going to be like auto saving. Okay, so it's going to click a revision of what you have written, okay, and immediately this tool saves your work. So it's excellent because you are not going to lose what you wrote. Now let's continue with another tool from Twinword called the Semantic Field Generator. So this semantic field generator, in this one, you can get the definition of these semantic fields related words by clicking on them. So this, if you click of one word, okay, you are going to check out describing words for semantic field and more words that are associated with them. So in this case, you can look about synonyms and antonyms of the words. So this tool helps you to find words that are related to a specific word or phrase. So you're going to enrich your vocabulary using this tool. Now let's continue with the export. So with this tool, export, you can share your writing, your email, or you can also download it, okay? You may select and export your file, for example, in Microsoft Word or in a PDF format or in a plain text. So simultaneously, you may share your word via Facebook post, okay, in any one of these social networks, specifically in Facebook. So you can export your writing in the moment that you want, okay, using the tool export. So as you can see, Twinwords is an excellent tool that all of the teachers can use with our students, and it's also very useful for improvement, specifically reading and writing skills. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that this explanation will be clear for you. So long.